Make sure to end up with men facing the audience. Men should end up standing on the left leg, lady on the right leg. We will have one step away from each other. Man is taking the step backward with the right leg, lady with the left one. Bend your knee first, gently push away from each other and slide your hands down. We want to end up with the lady's hands on top of the man's hands. We will now have a series of steps to each other and away from each other. Man is always dancing with the left leg forward, lady with the right leg forward. Step, tap, hands go to the sides and away step, tap. To each other again on the opposite side. Step, tap, away step, tap. And the third time, man is again going slightly to the left, leading the hands to the sides, but instead of tapping with the free leg, raise your hands higher above your heads and start walking around your partner with natural everyday steps. Hands are going to slide down to end up grabbing the partner's palm. Taking the step forward, raise both your hands high and focus on leading your partner's hand behind your neck. While walking around each other, your hands are sliding down, maintaining the connection at all times. You want to end up holding the partner's hand like you do while shaking hands. Let's sum up this part focusing on the lady's perspective. Slide your hands down, take a step backward with the left leg, right forward, left backward, right forward, left backward, right forward. Raise both your hands, continue walking around the man with natural everyday steps. When you reach a point when man's right shoulder is to the audience, lady is going to rotate clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.